at the Vegan CampOut 2024. It's the biggest vegan festival in the world. 10,000 people, the sun is shining, loads to do here. There's talks, there's workshops, yoga, music, but of course, everyone that's here is here for one reason, and that is the food. We're gonna take you on a tour of what we think are some of the best food vendors at the festival. We're gonna try as much as we can cram in the next couple of days, and we look forward to taking you along for the ride.
So we went to the Philly cheese toasty, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's got a bit of a smoky flavor, real comfort food. It's gooey and just absolutely yummy.
It's so nice being somewhere where you can literally eat or drink anything. Normally as a vegan, you go to a place and you have to hunt down the vegan options, and there might be like 1 or 2 options available. The coffee queue is pretty long, so instead we've opted for an Indonesian chai. That is really good. I could get used to that. Rivi, how's your spring roll?
Good.
You're gonna give me a thumbs up? What is this we've got?
Portuguese custard tart, Estel de Nata. It looks amazing. It never comes vegan, so it's the first vegan one I've ever tried. Oh wow. Savory on the outside and sweet on the inside. It's really good.
Guys, thank you, sweetheart. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, who makes it better, Mummy or the lady here?
The lady.
Hi. I honestly think smoothie bowls are probably up there as some of my favourite food. I love that it's so wholesome and healthy, but also delicious. Perfect for breakfast, or we're just having it as a snack here. Really refreshing on a sunny day. This is a really good one. It's got acai in it, bananas, granola, nuts, just missing a dash of almond butter, and it would be absolute perfection. Bless you, please.
We're just having some Caribbean food and it's so tasty. Rivi, what are you eating?
I'm sick.
That's it. Do you want some broccoli? No? Okay.
Completely smashed that dish. That's the first time I've had vegan Caribbean food. I think it's my favourite dish we've had yet. So many different flavours. It tasted as good as it looked. Otherwise you're going to have your hands full. Very excited about this one. Oh man.
I'm really excited about this one. Oh wow. Oh, it's really good. It's got like caramelized onions, a vegan beef burger, and some vegan cheese, American cheese that looks amazing, and it tastes fantastic. I got a doner vegan kebab and some chicken pieces from Water Pita. It looks amazing. It smells great.
You don't need to say vegan doner kebab, it's all vegan.
I know, but like I just want to emphasize I love doner kebab and it's vegan, so I'm excited.
Oh, I like it with the chips. That sauce is really good.
Yummy.
It's good, Bex.
Delicious. Really good. Basically say the same for like everyone, right?
Yeah, it's hard to say.
Thank you. Bex, you want an ice cream?
Yeah. What? That is ridiculous.
Go straight in.
You can try some in a second, it's okay.
The kids are like vultures. They're eating my ice cream and it's gonna disappear any moment now.
Delicious. I prefer it more than the ice cream.
Oh. Tibetan Memories is one of our favorite vegan food. They're based in Frome, so we know them from different events in the past and the market. So we were so happy to see that they're coming here to the vegan campout as well.
So this is Tibetan food. Actually comes from our hometown Froome. We know the guys that make it.
Yeah, thank you,
It's great,
Namdi.
really wholesome, flavoursome. Lots of thumbs up from us. How many meals do you think we've eaten today?
I think this is our 7th.
Possibly 8.
And the ice cream.
8 and 9 if you include sweet stuff as well. But this is a good way to finish. We were up early today because Gil had his workshop first thing. It was really successful. He had 130 people show up. I think he was really happy with the way it went. It's going to be another hot scorching day. I can already feel it. I think we're expecting 26 degrees. So just kicking off the day with a coffee, and I got myself a paraffin wrap, which has beans and hash brown and an egg substitute in. I don't know what they're using as an egg substitute, but looking forward to testing this one out.
Spinach, brown lentil.
There we go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Cheers.
So good. I love Ethiopian food. It's so much fun.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Absolutely love kimchi, and this is a grilled cheese vegan toasty from Soya Hoi in Bristol. We've been there before and I can't wait to try it again.
Took 5 takes, but you got there. So, never heard of this before. They are buttery Marmite chips. Never tried this one.
They're good?
Yeah, they are good. I mean, you have to like Marmite, but if you like Marmite,
I love Marmite.
they're like a nice alternative to salt.
Oh, they're actually really nice.
I don't think these are going to last for very long. So we're wrapping up our time at Vegan CampOut. It was our first time at the festival. We weren't really sure what to expect, but we had the absolute best time. We really did. Tried loads of different types of food. There was so much to eat there. Even though we ate non-stop, we only tried a fraction of what was on offer, and everything we did try was really very delicious. Honestly, I wish anyone that has that misconception that being vegan means that you don't get tasty food or that all you eat is rice and beans. I wish they would come to this festival and just see how amazing plant-based vegan food is nowadays. It is next level. Even though we are completely and utterly stuffed, we couldn't resist and get one more thing for the road. So Project D's, they promise not just to be the best vegan donut in the world, they say they are the best donut in the world, full stop. There was loads on offer, but I went for the Homer Simpson classic donut. Honestly, I can't even have another bite now, so you're not going to see me. You're not going to see me enjoying that, but that's one for the road. As well as being vegan, we love going on adventures, getting outdoors, traveling, and you'll find that all on our channel. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like and subscribe. We're the Band Family Adventures. Checking out. Goodbye.
Bye bye.